Sometime in the future, maybe we can get together. Maybe share a drink and talk a while, and reminisce about the days when we were still together. Maybe somewhere further down the line, and I will meet you there. Sometime in the future we can share our stories where we won't care about all of our mistakes, our failures.